repair business and startup costs. How much do I need to start a credit repair business? Startup costs or startup fees is one of the very important things that you need to know and understand when you are opening a business. In this video, we'll talk about different things that would be covered into your startup fees in starting a credit repair business. So first, what are the tools that I need? You need to know and understand what tools do you need, in which we'll be discussing this as we go along each of the slides. You'll be understanding what are the different tools that you'll be needing into this business that you need to list down as part of your startup fee. You also need to understand if you need to pay any surety bonds. This is one of the things that you'll be needing to list down on your startup cost. You also need to understand if you need to have a license. Getting a license and paying the licensing fee is one of the things that you need to know about if you are trying to come up with a total startup fee. Now, it's a fair estimate of getting started with at least about $500, and it's a reasonable fee compared to all other businesses out there. So if you're looking to start any other businesses, you can pay double or triple the price of $500 to start up a business, but the credit repair business could give you a rough estimate of $500. What are those coverage? Let's talk about first surety bond. What is a surety bond? Is this something that everybody is required to pay? Well, a surety bond depends on each and every state. That's why you have to understand your own state law. It can run anywhere from 1% to 2% of whatever your state requires. So you have to review your state law in order for you to know if you are required to pay or get a surety bond. You have to research online. Where do you need to look into? You could first look up immediately into your Secretary of State website, and that would help you know and understand if you need to pay any surety bond. You could also look up into your Attorney General's website to make sure that you have the right information. Now, if in any case you get lost into reading through the clauses or important articles through your websites, you can always consult a lawyer to help you understand better if you need to have a surety bond. Next, let's talk about licensing fee. Do you need a license? Does everybody need a license? Same goes with surety bond. Licensing fee can differ from one state to another. That's why it is important for you to look into your own state law and understand whether there's a licensing fee required for you to pay. It can run anywhere from $25 to $100 to register your business. You have to research online to know more about the licensing fee because, again, it is different state per state. You have to look into your Attorney General's website or Secretary of State website to know more about the licensing fee that you need to pay. Do you need one or you actually don't? If in any case that you read through that you need to be able to have licensing fee paid in order for you to register your business, then it is important for you to register your business in order for you to run your business with complete compliance. Now, let's talk about online expenses. What are the different online expenses or online tools that you'll be needing to accomplish or have in this type of industry and starting up this type of business? First, of course, you need to have a website. Why is website important? Is it important? Yes, it is. Having a website, of course, is pretty much important if you truly want to reach out potential clients out there online and at the same time be able to build your own branding and credibility. Having a website also allows you to give portal access readily available for your clients to go through. So they could simply go to your website and log into the portal access. This is a very convenient way of them reviewing any updates or progress so that it saves you time at the very beginning of your services. You also need to have a website because it's one great way of communication. You could actually advise your clients through the website on how they can communicate to you. You can let them know your email, your mailing address, even your phone number so that they could reach out to you if they have any questions. So having to have a website is one of the startup costs because it comes along with setting up, of course, the website. You need to have someone to design the website for you or get a website template that's readily available. You also need to have hosting and domain that comes along with a website. And hosting and domain can roughly round around $5 to $25. Now, apart from everything that we've already discussed, there's one more important thing that you need to include to your startup cost and fee. That would be devices and tools. This is pretty much important for you to get to run your business smoothly on a day-to-day basis. First, of course, you need a computer or a laptop. You need somewhere where you can manage your business. You need somewhere where you can manage your clients' information, store any files that's necessary for you to store. So this is important for you to have. It is also important for you to have a printer, something that has color, meaning to say a printer that can print out with color, because you're not just printing letters in this. You're not just printing dispute letters. You're actually printing documents too, as necessary. So it is important that your printer prints something with color. Now, lastly is you need a credit repair business software. You need a credit repair software just like Client Dispute Manager software that allows you to manage your customers' information, your profiles, their progress, all their documents, and allows you to be able to actually expand your business. It is important for you to have this available. If you want to look into Client Dispute Manager software, you can of course click the link below onto the description box to sign up for a 30-day free trial. Now, since you've reached the end of this video, we are giving you a free step-by-step guide on how to start and run a credit repair business as our thank you for reaching the end of the video. So that would be starting a credit restoration business blueprint. All you have to do is go to the description box below and click on the link to get your free guide.